when overwhelmed with doubt and fear. Great God, do thou my spirit cheer. Let not mine eyes with tears be fed, but to the Rock of Ages let me be led.
Hi, my name is Michael O, and I serve as president of CBI Japan. As you all know, the most powerful earthquake in the history of Japan and the fifth most powerful earthquake in the history of mankind recently rocked Japan, triggering a tsunami, a devastating tsunami, and also leading to the deaths of likely well over 20,000 people. The threat of nuclear radiation contributes to what has been described by some as the greatest challenge to Japan that they've seen since World War II. Over the years, I've described our mission in Japan as praying and preparing toward the day of opportunity. In the back of my mind, I've often thought about the possibility of great suffering being a part of God's work to open the hearts of the Japanese. And a massive earthquake or a nuclear missile from North Korea topped the list of possible devastating ways that the Lord might awaken the nation that I love. The situation that we face today, perhaps, could be one of the ways that the Lord pierces the darkness of Japan with his light. Our burden for the Japanese did not start with this earthquake. And we hope that your burden for the Japanese will not end as the days pass by. Japan is the largest unreached nation in the world. In Japan, with this crisis, they are reporting at least 10,000 deaths so far. But every 4 months in Japan, an equal number of Japanese take their own lives. In hopelessness, they turn to suicide. Every day is a tragedy in Japan for those without Jesus Christ. Thank you so much for your love, your prayers, and support for the CBI family and ministry. To God be the glory in your life, in Japan, and to the very ends of the earth. Amen.
I to that rock for shelter flee.